Hi kids. So today I am going to read out a story. The title is Art is Everywhere, Here, There and in Food. Author Aparna Kapoor and Bijal Pachrajani. 2 minutes Mama. Our mama is smart, our mama is kind. But nothing stays in our mama's mind for more than 2 minutes. Our mama tells us to stay still. We tell our mama we will in 2 minutes. I love trees. I love all trees. Yes, all trees I love. A tree with sour star fruit hanging above, a tall sturdy tree that I could climb, or a short one to lie under and make up a good rhyme. A bitter truth. I love you so much. I could gobble you up. So she did. Hatched. Crack went the shell. Out popped little bell. What's that nasty smell? The rest are rotten eggs. Oh well. Crunch. There's the coal kharabi, beware. If you go underwater, she will stare. Sneak up on her when it's time for lunch. Her tentacles are long and they go crunch. The stinky swan. Was it you? Was it you? It was you. No, it was you. It's cloudy today. Fluffy clouds, stuffy nose, windy wind, rainy rain. Such a loud dog. Around me there is never a crowd, because no one likes to come near a dog so loud. I bark all day, I bark all night. I hope no one realizes my bark is worse than my bite. The sad sea. The ocean is no longer cool. The fish are sad and swim away in a school. The coral reefs are bleached white. All this plastic just aren't right. Let's fight for our oceans and seas so that marine life can live in peace. Smash and smoosh. Whoosh flew with a whoosh. Into a window, smash went smash. Smoosh, smoosh and sploosh. Fell into a puddle with a sploosh. And splat went splat. Up, up and away. What are those? Are they brightly painted moons? No, it's Gemma, tied to a bunch of balloons. What's this commotion? Are those some noisy goons? No, it's Gemma, who doesn't want to be tied to a bunch of balloons. Thank you.